Hey everyone, it's Kim Capaldo, Independent Sales Representative with Avon, doing my first ever unboxing video. I've been a rep for almost 3 years now, and I've never done one of these videos, so I thought I'd do one. I'm going to try to keep it short and simple. So the first thing that I do when I get my boxes, I'm usually not home, so my husband will bring them into my office, and he will set them on my table. And so what I do is I check to see which box has the invoice. With my glasses on. And okay, it says on it. If I can lift it, I don't know. Sometimes it's kind of heavy. It says invoice enclosed. So this is the box that I usually open first, unless I'm really excited, and then I will open whatever box first. But so I get my box cutter. Careful with the box cutters, people. And then I open them up and I look for my invoice. Bubble wrap. I always keep this because it's good to have this for if you have to mail things out. I'm sure someone else has probably said that to me on one of their unboxing videos, but it's actually a really good idea. Okay, so what I do is try not to get distracted by the things that are in the box. Go for the invoice. It's usually at the bottom, and they usually have it protected by the book separated with this cardboard. Invoices and paper stuff is protected. So at the bottom is the invoice. So this is the invoice. I opted to get a paper invoice instead of a digital invoice because it's easy for me to get it from the company instead of printing it out. I mean, whichever one you prefer. So what I do is I check, make sure I have all of the boxes that they said that were coming, which I do. There was 2. And then I'm going to go down the list and make sure I have everything that is on the invoice and everything that I had ordered for my customers and also for myself for demoing purposes. So that's that. I'm going to move this box out of the way, open the other box just to do a double check on it. Make sure there's no spillage or anything like that. And if you do find that, you might, the best thing to do is call right away and say, I got a package from the company and there was a item in here that was open or loose or spilled, because you don't want to, obviously give that to somebody. You want to get your replacement right away. So what I'm going to do, that's pretty much all I really wanted to say about the unboxing. So I'm going to cut this video off, and then I'm going to go through my stuff. Okay, hello everybody. So now I'm back finishing up my unboxing of my Campaign 8 order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this box aside here, and I'm going to have some space to take everything out. So this is the second box, and I'm just going to take everything out and kind of set it together so that we can see what we got, instead of it all being jumbled in the box. So these are all, see, that's what happens. And luckily they have those foil things over the some of the products. Most of the products have that, so you don't get the spillage, which is very, you know, unfortunate. So I am going to, I like how they put this in the bag like this, these little things, so they're not shuffling around in the big box. So I'll just keep that aside. All of the like things together. Convenient pumps for the moisture therapy stuff, which is good. And, oh, the new vitamin C. Oh, the new vitamin C serum and mask. Yay. I think I'm going to try to do a video for that, too, to see how it works for me. So, yeah. This is exciting. So, I almost got everything out. Sorry, honey blossom. I love it. It smells so good. Okay, so that's the one box. I'm going to take this away. And I'm going to go over here. I know you can't see me, but bring this other box over here. Try not to bump the camera. Or knock everything over. Everything under control. This is one of my little dishes that I keep some of my samples in. A little plastic dish. Anyway, it's okay. I'm going to cut the things off of this with my box cutter. Remember to be careful with your box cutters, people. I've had a box cutter injury before. Actually, what it was, it fell out of my hand and sliced my foot. Not a big slice, but it hurt. Anyway, I don't know why that's not working. I like to get the edges off the box because it's easier for me to work with instead of trying to flip these boxes down. So anyway, I'm going to try not to keep this video too long. And I know at least my attention span is not very long. So clothing, I'm going to put in over here, way over here on the other side of the table. And here we got more lotions. Put that there. That there. Now, and don't forget that, you know, Avon has online ordering, which is awesome, which is, you know, a very good thing to do. Florist samples. Please, if you would love a florist sample, let me know. I will get one out to you in the mail. I love this perfume. Anyway, I digress. Sorry, I'm being silly. So anyway, and here are, I ordered some of the outlet catalogs and the special catalogs for people to, I like to mail these because you can actually mail these in a card envelope. I think it's a 6x9 card envelope for the same price as if you're sending out a card, and that way you can you know, send it out to somebody and say, hey, if you like the actual full catalog, let me know. I will get one out to you right away. Anyway, so that's that. I'm going to put that over there. I'm going to move this box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to check through the checklist and make sure that everything is there. And then do up my invoices so that, I'm right here, sorry. Do my invoices so that, you know, everybody will get what they need by the end of the week, hopefully. So yeah, that's the end of my unboxing video. I appreciate you watching my demonstration. Stay tuned for more videos from the Beauty and Dazzle channel.